In this video, we'll learn how to use the Intaglio report generator to create automated reports using Microsoft Word. First, open Microsoft Word and locate the Special Add-ins toolbar found on the Ribbon tab. Click on the toolbar icon and insert an Intaglio graph. Since we are going to use the Intaglio report generator as part of an automated worksheet, we will need to use variables for the dataset and signal name. In this instance, our defined variables will be dataset and signal. We can add more variables and define layouts if needed. Other than graphs, we can also add other assets, such as named elements, etc. When this report is generated, a graph will be placed on this box. Let's resize this Intaglio box so it can fit our graph properly. Next, we will add a title and call it My Report. Other elements can be added later if needed. We will now save this document to our desktop and name this file as My Template Report. Next, we'll select the output settings for when this report is saved or printed. For now, we'll save it to our desktop and name it Final Report. Let's close this Word document and return to our DATS acquisition software. We are going to select a dataset we want to appear on our report. In this instance, we will choose racecar runup.dac. The variable DPU under the Advanced Menu tab will allow us to create variables. We will add this with the variables we used in the Intaglio report setup. To ensure it matches, we will add dataset, then signal variables using the variable DPU. Next, we simply populate the variables using the variable modification DPU, which we connect to our dataset. In this instance, we will use a pseudo-named element dataset name. You can locate this information by first going to the source signal. Click on Signal Information. Navigate to the pseudo-named element tab, then locate the dataset name path. You can see this has recognized our dataset path, racecar runup. For the signal variable, we will use a named element dataset name. Let's navigate back to the source signal. Then Signal Information. This time, we will click the Named Element tab and locate its path, which we have successfully done here. The next step is to connect the Intaglio report DPU. Navigate to the Reporting tab and drag the Intaglio report DPU to the worksheet. Connect them together. Double-clicking on the Intaglio DPU allows us to access the pre-configured Intaglio report template setup. Let's select our saved file, My Template Report. Selecting Show Final Report ensures our report loads automatically without any interruptions. Let's run our worksheet. As shown here, we've produced our Intaglio report complete with the requested signal graph. You can personalize this report further if needed.